Hey there, YouTube friends, and welcome back to the final video in this year's fall series. I am super excited to share that I've partnered with American Signature Furniture as a style insider. In this video, I'll be sharing all the details on my dining room makeover, as well as a closer look at my first furniture restoration project, a piece of furniture that I found at GoodWill for only $19. I'm going to show you how my sweet friend Denise at Be My Guest with Denise helped me to get everything organized, and I'm actually going to be asking for your help and looking to complete a china set. Finally, I'll be sharing this year's Fall Tablescape, so let's get started. Before we jump into the makeover, I figured it would only be fitting to show you the only footage that I had of the old dining room. I swear you guys, I started to feel like it was a scene out of The Sopranos. First things first, getting rid of the dark paint, which I loved when I first put it on for about 6 months, and then it started to feel like the walls were closing in. So you guys voted on Instagram, and we decided on the Sherwin-Williams Agreeable Gray. I really fell in love with the Agreeable Gray because it was a cooler paint color, but it still complemented the warm custom paint that I had in the rest of the house, and I think it was a perfect fit. Next, we updated our furniture, which was about 15 years old, and I decided on the chart house from the American Signature Urban Farmhouse collection. The Urban Farmhouse collection really complements the aesthetic of our home, and I am super excited that I can finally seat my entire family during the holidays. Even the base of this table is absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I decided to keep our old rug, which I got years ago from Pottery Barn, so I'm not sure if it's still available, but I still loved it and there was no need to get rid of it. And many of you saw a recent video that I shared where I took on my first furniture restoration project. I found this piece at GoodWill for $19 and decided to bring it home and give it a try. It's not perfect, but it's perfect for us and it's perfect for the dining room. I'll link the previous video in the description box below in case you missed out and you can see what it looked like before. I got rid of the stencil on the accent wall, which was really starting to look dated, and I found these beautiful mirrors on Facebook Marketplace. I also found these gorgeous candlestick buffet lamps and lampshades, which I will link in the description box below for you. I fell in love with them because they're really tall and we have tall ceilings, so they really scaled well in the room. And there was just something about these gorgeous wall sconces that I couldn't walk away from. So I brought them home too, and I will have a link in the description box below for you as well on where to find those. Next, it was time to organize my table linen. As you can see, it's really wrinkled because it was all kind of stuffed in one place. So I went through everything and decided what to keep and what to get rid of. I also pulled down my mom's absolutely beautiful china that she passed down to me before she passed, and she made me promise to use, but I just never had a really great place to store it. So I picked up some china storage containers that I will link for you in the description box, pulled everything down and packed it away safely. Now, if any of you know where to look for like antique china, would you mind leaving me a comment down below? My mom's china set was incomplete. I need a few more pieces now, especially that I have the storage for it and the seating space, but I've Googled and I've looked on Amazon. I can't find it anywhere. I know there has to be a place that I can look. And Denise at Be My Guest with Denise gave me a great idea to actually hang my placemats and put the chargers in the same place so that I could see everything. And then my mom's china set went in this section, tucked away nice and safe, but still within arm's reach. I found some clear containers that were the perfect fit for the drawers to store my cloth napkins, and I will link that in the description box below for you. And in the drawer below that, I stored table runners, napkin rings, and odds and ends. And this year's tablescape, you will actually see a lot of repeats from last year's tablescape, but the room looks so fresh with the new furniture and paint. It really looked like an entirely new tablescape. If you follow me on Instagram, then you saw the story of me finding these gorgeous maple leaf placemats. They appear to be really plain at first, but when you get a closer look and under the light, oh my goodness, look at all the glitter and sparkle. If you want to add a little glam to your table, these are absolutely perfect. And everything you see in this place setting pretty much came from Pier 1. The neutral placemat, the neutral charger, and then I added this pretty gold tone charger. The glasses are also from Pier 1. They have new ones this year. The dinner plate is from Pier 1. They have new glasses this year in gold and red, you guys, so make sure you check them out. They are beautiful for Christmas. The salad plate is the only thing that did not come from Pier 1. I believe I got them from Pottery Barn a couple years ago. I relocated the clock on the wall from the front door entry. I will put a link in the description box below for you. And the thankful sign came from Kirkland's last year. I really hope you guys enjoyed the fall series this year. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite video was, so I'll know what to do for you guys next year. And I am going to start working on Christmas for you. Thank you so much for sharing this time of year with me. I sincerely appreciate all of you, and I will be back soon. Until then, love and peace.